Hi guys, in this video we should solve the problem on LeetCode. Reverse bits. So you have to reverse the bits of a given 32 bits unsigned integer. The given unsigned integer of 32 bits, the length is 32, and you have to reverse that and return it. So basically, if they're given something binary bit like this, then if you reverse this of 32 bit length, provide the reverse of it. If you see here 00111, that is been reversed 00111. So if it is a normal number, how do we reverse a number? Let's say 123. So how do we reverse it? We take one number called reverse to give the output, and each time we will do reverse star 10 plus the last number, that is if this is n modulus 10. N equal to n by 10. That is how you reverse. So I repeat, we will have a reverse, that is resulting number, and reverse star 10 because each time when we reverse it, we have to shift by one position. So into 10 plus n modulus n, that will give you 3 over 10. So initially, if it is 0, so 0 star 10 plus 3, that will give you 3. So n equal to n by 10 will give you 12. 123 by 10 will give you 12. So next again, with 12 also we will pass it. So reverse star 10, 3 star 10 plus 12 modulus 10, that will give you 2. So 3 star 10, 32. Then star 10 plus now the number will be n equal to n by 10, that will be 1. No? So 1 by 1 modulus 10 will give you 1. So it will be 3, 2, 1. 3 is greater than equal to number is in reverse. Now if you do n equal to 10 by 10, 1 by 10 will give the result and you stop the loop. So this is how the normal number, if we reverse it, works. Same thing applies for binary also. Instead of 10, we do left shift and right shift. So for multiplication, we know that we use left shift operator, and for division, we use right shift operator. This is for multiplication, this is for division. So left shift means we are shifting the bits by one position to the left. We are shifting the bits by one position to the left. So this, if you shift the bits by one position to the left, it will give you multiplication. And similarly, division will be the reverse of it. For example, if I give you 1101, and if I do right shift of this, means this one will be core, right? So it will be 110. So this is nothing but actually 2 power 0, 1, 13, and this is 2 power 1 plus 6 plus 6. So you could see we are performing division here. 13 by 2 will give us 6. So you're multiplying by 2, and here we're dividing by 2, the number. So this is left shift and right shift. So instead of doing into 10, we do left shift operator. And instead of dividing here the number, I mean the bit, we are doing the right shift on the number. So that we right shift the bit by one position. So same, instead of taking 32 bits, just for the example sake, we will do 1101. So once you have this number, will have reverse. We do what means reverse. As I said, we have to do left shift by one position. So initially reverse will be 0. So we do bitwise OR operation with. How do you get this now? The last number, last bit. So that is by doing n AND operation with 1. So if I do 1101 with AND operation 1, you can get to know whether the given bit is 1 or not. If it is 1, then it will give result under 1. If it is 0, then it will give you result under 0. So that is a n with AND operation 1. Instead of this n modulus, we do AND operation with 1. So here it will give us 1. And you do bitwise OR with, you have to left shift, right? So initial reverse will be 0. So 0 left shift by 1, what it will give you? That is 0 left shift by 1. So 0 will be moved to one position backward. That will be 0 itself. So nothing but 0, 0. So 0 or 1, that will give you 1 as the answer. This is for the first step. in here we have got this number. So once I get this, now again you have to move further. So now reverse will be equal to 1. For the next step, again reverse. So yeah, now we have to do right shift of the number. So n with right shift by one position. So that the number will be equal to 110 now. Sorry. So if you do right shift, this will be no right. So it will be 110. Yeah. So now you n is equal to 1 of 10. Reverse is 1. Again reverse 1 if you do left shift, what it will give you? If you do left shift of 1, what will it give you? So 1 is moved backward and 0 will be added over here. So here actually 1 was in its place. Now move to 10th place. That is what it means. So that in its place will be 0. So 1 0 it happened. 1 0 we do OR operation n and 1. So 1 1 0 with 1 will give you. This is 0 1 0 and 1 will give you 0. So this is 0. So if you do the plus operation for this or operation, 0 or 0 will be 0, 1 or 0 will be 1. So that is given 1 0. So we have got these two now. Now next remaining these two. Again you do right shift. So 1 1 0 you do right shift by 1. That will give you 1 1. So this is n now and reverse equal to 1 0. Again you do reverse left shift by 1. So 1 0 left shift by 1 will give you 1 0 0. That or with n and 1. So 1 1 with 1. So 1 and 1 will be 1 and 1 and 0 will be 0. So that is giving you 1. So now 1 0 1 with 1 0 0 you do OR operation, plus OR operation that will give you 1 0 1. So answer is 1 0 1. So this is the reverse number. Now, at n equal to again you will have to do right shift that will give you 11 right shift by 1. That will give you 1. So n equal to 1 now, reverse equal to 1 0. Now again we do reverse left shift and this thing. So 1 0 1. If you do left shift of that, then we do 1 0 1 0. You do OR with n and 1. So 1 and 1 not will give you 1 only. So if you do OR operation here, so 0 or 1 will be 1. Next all remains the same because it's an OR operation. So now you could see the reverse integer is 1011. At our initial number was 1101. We have got reverse that 101 as the answer. You solve the problem. Again, you do n equal to right shift by 1. So 1 right shift by 1 will be the here. So you stop over here. So that is how we solve the problem. Um, Here the length is 32 length. As I clearly mentioned, 32 bits unsigned integer. So we can just give a for loop for one number in reverse equal to 0 initially. So next for and I equal to 0, I lesser than 32 and I plus plus. As I said, so reverse will be equal to reverse. You do the left shift by 1 and you do OR operation with n and 1. So you can give the pattern. So next what you do, n equal to n, you do the right shift and at last, so, so at last you return the number reverse. Yeah. Okay. So please submit it. If you have any questions, please drop in the comment section. You comment in the next section until you keep learning. Thank you.